Talk down on yourself whenever possible. My life is shit because I deserve it, right? You must have done something really bad. It's nearly impossible for you to cry now. Avoid your friends for weeks, even though they're the only sense of consistency you have left in your life. They really wanted to see you, they'd come, but they won't. Who cares? Allow yourself to lose interest in the things you love. Watch as you begin to take a backseat to the world around you. Don't fight it. Become a secondary character in your own motion picture. But most importantly, drown every single one of your feelings in old stolen rum. Learn to love the taste of it dripping down your throat. Find comfort in the warmth coming from your stomach. You're drinking bottled love now. You don't need other people to drive away your loneliness. You just needed to find a way to talk to it.
It's like trying to start a fire with matches in the snow, where you can't seem to hold me, can't seem to let me go. So I can't find surrender, and I can't keep control. You turn me inside out, and then you want the outside. You spin me all around, then you ask me not to spin. You say you wanna be alone, and you want children. You wanna be with me. You wanna be with me. You give me chills. I've had it with the tears. I'm nothing, you are nothing, we are nothing with the pills. I'm empty tissue feels, alive till she kills, and her vampire empire I am. You really wanted, know the mess in your purse, know the bed that is haunted with the blanket of thirst. Just something I can't I can feel it when those warm jets start
dear karma said to the devil, do you like drums? Do you like cigarettes, dominoes, rum? Is it only sundown Sundays, Christmas Sundays? And when I need a few friends, now and again I could never hope to keep them. Thought to give friends what I thought that they wanted. Never had they needed a good friend as I've been. Don't get me venting on friends who resent you, cause all you've ever done is been a noose to hang on to. They thought was a necklace and reckless, they fell into hell where you both hang with nothing to do but scratch, kick, the gravity went like fall. This, the gravity went like. You could leave it all behind. Even the devil needs time alone sometimes. You could let it all go. You could let it all go. It's called free fall. It's called free fall. The devil and the devil said quit. Can't be bothered, better handle your shit. Keep about your whisk, man, keep about your whisk.